Let's look at this problem. A man leaves home at 16:42 and walks to a library 6 kilometers away, arriving at 17:30. He walked part of the way at 5 kilometers per hour and then, realizing the time, he ran the rest of the way at 10 kilometers per hour. How far did he run? This feels like a lot of moving pieces, but it's just a story about time and distance. Let's break it down logically. Before writing any equations, let's understand what's happening. The journey has two distinct gears, a slow, steady walking phase, and a fast, high-energy running phase. Together, these two phases must cover exactly 6 kilometers. We need to find out how far he ran. Instead of guessing, let's pick a variable to hold our spot. Let the distance he ran be x km. If the whole trip is 6 kilometers long, and he ran x of it, what's left for walking? Simple. The total minus what he ran. Then the distance he walked equals 6x km. Here is your golden tip for any speed puzzle. Always use the classic triangle relationship, time equals distance divided by speed. If you know how far you went and how fast you moved, you can easily calculate your time. Let's calculate the time spent walking. We know the walking distance is 6x km, and the problem says his walking speed is 5 kilometers per hour. Using our tip, the time taken to walk 6x km at 5 kilometers per hour equals 6x divided by 5 hours. Now do the exact same logic for running. The running distance is x km, and his running speed is a much faster 10 kilometers per hour. So, the time taken to run x km at 10 kilometers per hour equals x divided by 10 hours. But wait, what is the total time? The clock says he left at 16:42 and arrived at 17:30. Let's count the minutes between them. From 1642 to 1700 hours is 18 minutes. Add the 30 minutes past 1700 hours, and we find the total time taken is 48 minutes. Because our speeds are given in kilometers per hour, we must convert our 48 minutes into hours. Since an hour has 60 minutes, 48 divided by 60 simplifies down perfectly to 4/5 of an hour. Now, let's assemble our master equation puzzle piece. Walk time plus run time must equal the total time. Therefore, 6x/5 plus x/10 equals 4/5. Fractions can look intimidating, so let's get rid of them. The easiest way to clear out the bottoms is to multiply the entire equation by 10, because 10 is the lowest common multiple of 5 and 10. Let's see what survives. 10 divided by 5 is 2, so the first part becomes 2 times 6x. The 10s cancel out for the second part, leaving just plus x. And 4/5 times 10 gives us 8. Our clean line is 2, 6x, plus x equals 8. Distribute the 2 into the bracket, 2 times 6 is 12, and 2 times minus x is minus 2x. This gives us 12 minus 2x plus x is equal to 8. Combine the x terms to get 12x equals 8. Rearranging the parts reveals our answer, 4 equals x. Never skip the verification step. Let's check our work to be absolutely certain. Time to run 4 kilometers at 10 kilometers per hour is April 10th, or 2/5 hour. Time to walk the remaining 2 kilometers at 5 kilometers per hour is also 2/5 hour. Add them together, 2/5 plus 2/5 equals 4/5 hour. It matches perfectly. He ran a total distance of 4 kilometers. Stop memorizing math blindly and start visualizing it step by step with real-world logic. Hit that subscribe button and come join us for your daily concept break at My Brainy Cave.